Hi everybody, I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to show you the new 2019 Fury 3110 model. So it's a toy hauler by Primetime Manufacturing. It's kind of considered in that half-ton towable-ish range, depending on the half-ton that you have, of course. So let's dive right in, check this guy out. So you'll notice right away, fiberglass exterior construction with aluminum framing. It's got the extra grate up front for additional batteries, built right in. Nice big pass-through storage. You'll notice on the other side, the metal casing, that is for the 5,500 watt Onan generator that's built right into the trailer. Now that is an added option that we bring in, which I'll show you in a minute here. You'll see there is a stowaway table here, still wrapped in plastic, brand new, as well as the 15-foot sprayer hose that snaps on the back, so you have exterior water. Power awning. Underneath that you have the marine grade exterior speakers. This particular one is dual entrance, which is nice to have on the toy hauler, so you can be in and out of your garage without trekking through your whole living space or your kitchen. And it is opposing slides as well. The Fury does come with E-rated tires as well, rather than the standard kind of D-rated that you'll see. All right, so this guy is only just over 8,000 pounds dry, so very, very towable for a toy hauler, but it still has over a 3,000 pound carrying capacity. So you could toss a couple quads in the back, couple dirt bikes, no problem at all, as long as you got the truck to handle it. So right around back here, you do have a fuel station built into this guy as well. So 30-gallon tank, and you can use that to gas up your toys, whatever the case. It is rigged up to your generator as well for some additional fuel if you needed that fuel tank. So you'll have lots of fuel, lots of power for days and days to come. So I'll just show you that 5,500 watt Onan generator that they have built in. So the generator prep is a separate option that you have to add in order to get the generator. This particular one has it all built right in, ready to go. So here's your exhaust tube, and then there's your nice big generator. That unit is more than sufficient to power this trailer for days and days. It's the same size that they put in the big fifth wheels that you might see. So, you know, it's definitely a strong enough rig to power this unit. Let's head inside and check it out. All right, welcome inside. So you'll notice right away the nice opposing slides in here that I mentioned. So huge kitchen. You got kind of almost a horseshoe type pattern. You got the residential sprayer faucet, 60/40 double sink, lots of counter space, lots of outlets as well. Three burner high output burners. You got the residential size microwave, lots of drawers, tons of cabinetry, fridge of course. You got your flat screen 40-inch TV, DVD player. This particular one does have the solar panel installed with an inverter as well. So that's to kind of show you your amperage and how you're charging and everything like that. And then this one does have the dual recliner option. So depending what we have left, you can get this with a dinette here as well. We brought this particular one in with the dual recliner. Let's head up to the washroom and master bedroom. So washroom, fairly straightforward. You got the vanity, toilet, and shower. There's a skylight above the shower. It's got full tub surround, 12-volt fan. Okay, master bedroom. So you have yourself a queen-size bed, closets on either side. And then over here, you do have a TV bracket. So your TV up front can click off and click on in here. This is rigged up to your antenna. It does have, of course, a booster built in, so you can get a few TV channels with that as well. Nice big wardrobe with a couple drawers as well. There is a hanger up there, so you can hang things, coats, jackets, sweaters, whatever you need. Let's go to the back and we'll check out the garage. All right, welcome to the garage. So this is a 10-foot garage. You can see it's got the checker plate throughout, as well as, just over a foot above the walls. So in case you bump the wall, you don't crack any wall paneling or anything like that. It's got the dual sofa on either side, so you can put your stowaway table here as well, and have it as your dining room area, whatever you want. And then these flip over, so this can form into a bed. There is a little leg for extra stability that you can use that will make contact with the ground to kind of give you that extra support. Okay, and then this is, of course, electric. So you can raise that up so you're able to fit your quads and such inside. Now you might think that this isn't enough height. Maybe you have a side-by-side or something like that. Another way you can do these beds is they do have a pin on each side, so you can unclasp these and have these sit vertical against the wall. So you gain that extra ceiling height and sacrifice just a little bit of the width. Great feature to have. And then in here as well, you might think as well, you know, somebody's sleeping in the garage. Well, there is heating. So heat duct, it is heated back here. And then there is also an AC duct on the roof. Over here as well, you do have a TV backer. So if you decided to mount up a TV somewhere on the wall, there is power and cable there as well. And then of course, just a little bit of storage. These guys here, so there's one in each corner. These are for exhaust. So these just pull open and then they'll let out any exhaust fumes that you might have. And so it doesn't really get too smelly in here. On the floor as well, you got the steel tie downs. These are welded right to the frame, so you don't have to worry about anything coming apart. And then one of my favorite features, this does have the patio pack. So rear deck, this guy can support about 1,500 pounds. So you can, you know, put all the guys out here and everything. It is an added option, you don't have to get it. And of course the railing and the cables and everything are removable, so you can drive your quads in and out quite easily. And then one other feature as well is the pull down screen. So you can have that, you know, closed at night, still get your fresh air in here and all those types of things. And yeah, that about does it for the Fury 3110. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. I'll catch you next time.